The Blink XT2 security camera. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the new Blink XT2 security camera, which features two-way audio and a new mounting hardware. This new camera can be added to existing Blink systems or as a new setup. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get a user guide and a security sticker. Mounting screws, 2 AA batteries, and the new camera mount. This unit is the add-on camera since I already have the existing system. If you don't have a Blink system, you will need to buy a sync module, which is roughly the same size as the camera. And this is what communicates with your Wi-Fi network and your cameras. The sync module can be placed anywhere as long as it's in range with your wireless network. This new system features two-way audio, so now you are able to communicate back and forth with whoever is in front of the camera. The camera specs are pretty much the same as the regular XT system. It is 1080p HD resolution, runs on 2.4 GHz wireless network, has an app for iOS and Android, and the battery can last up to 2 years or 40,000 seconds worth of clips. This is IP65 rated and can operate in temperatures of -4 Fahrenheit all the way up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera is plastic all around and has a matte finish. You can see the Blink logo on the front. It features the following: a microphone, the record LED, the camera lens, the motion sensor, and the infrared. On the back, you can see it has the XT2 logo. Pulling down on the rubber knob will allow you access to the back, which has the battery compartment. And on the bottom, you can see the speaker. In comparison to the original XT, which I have on the left, it's pretty much identical in dimensions, with the difference being the addition of the two-way audio and the speaker cut out on the bottom. As mentioned earlier, the mounts have been redesigned. If you are a current owner, you are familiar with the existing mounts that the units come with. They are very flimsy and tend to break, and many owners went for aftermarket mounts. The new mount is definitely a big step and it feels a lot sturdier and stable. These mounts will also work with the original XT as well and can be purchased separately. Opening the back will reveal the battery compartment and also the serial number, which is used to set up the device, and I have covered it here. You will also find a switch to toggle the record LED if you prefer to have it on or off while recording. To begin the setup, download the Blink Home Monitor app if this is a new installation. Launch the app and click on the Add Blink device on the dashboard. Follow the prompts by entering the serial number and it will begin to sync with your network. Once it's completed, you have the option to take a still photo and adjust the settings and go into live mode. Settings are pretty straightforward and you can toggle zones, retrigger time, sensitivity, and so on. Now here is a sample of the audio using the talk feature. Just click on the live view icon and hold down the talk button. You will also be able to save the session or discard it.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is the audio coming from the Blink XT2. Testing 1 2 3.
Here you see the session saved, and the volume was pretty loud and clear. I have installed the mount on the wall using the 2 supplied screws. This mount is definitely an upgrade from the original version. It's easy to rotate to your desired angle. It also feels a lot sturdier and stable. And here are some sample footage from the XT2, day, night, and infrared. The new XT camera performs well, and the added 2-way audio feature is great. Now you have the ability to interact with people on the other side. From my experience with the Blink system, I can say that it's definitely worth it. The batteries do last, depending on usage of course, and the cameras have weathered through extreme temperatures in my location. Over the years they have updated and fixed a lot of the sensitivity issues, with the addition of the zoning option. The systems are priced very well and require no monthly fees. They are easy to set up and require little to no maintenance at all. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.